Welcome to Tech News. We got a whole lot of great stuff. What are you doing, man? That's my car!
Oh, one day, when the war is won, we will be sure, we will be sure.
Black History Month is important to me because I feel like we are not represented in the culture, American culture, and so to have a month, the shortest month of the year, that actually we can highlight Black culture is really important since America was built on the backs of African Americans. Just for specifically that reason, that everything that is here in American culture is built on African culture. And like if you look, hip hop isn't everything, like commercials, it's so mainstream, but yet when you look at hip hop just by itself, it's criminalized and demonized. All the things that we've invented, traffic light, heart monitors, even your cell phone, the technology in your cell phone, like there's so much stuff that people do not know that was created by someone who's Black. Like Hidden Figures is the perfect example of how hidden all of our technology and our discoveries and inventions are. Just by raising awareness, by getting a Black history class here as an elective, that would be an amazing way to raise awareness. To talk about more than just slavery, because our history started way before slavery. The Africans that were took from Africa and brought over here were astronomers, engineers, like doctors, you know. It wasn't just bush people like they try to make it out to be in roots. Students should join BSU because it's a great way to get involved in your school and with your culture. It also provides a safe space for students to vent if they need to feel supported, to also to commune with people that look like them, and to just feel like they're recognized and appreciated for who they are.
When the glory comes, it will be ours.
So now the Mock Trial Club. The Mock Trial Club is looking for some new members.
The Mock Trial Club is looking for some new members.
No, not that type of mocking. Anyways, if you've been thinking about joining, this should confirm it.
I'm Dee Dee, or Deasia. I'm a freshman. It's a class, it's not a class, it's like a group where we get a case and then we have to either decide if we're going to prosecute or defend the person who's on trial. I started law club because I want to be a criminal defense lawyer and I wanted to get some more experience with law. I want it to be ongoing, like, you know, like just continuous, and I want to be able to compete this year. Our days are Monday and Wednesday.
Hey everybody, welcome to the Benson Tech News Sports Recap, where I, Gabe Ginsberg, and your co-host, Sam Cittadini, will tell you all about your favorite school sports.
Today we have more info on the winter sports season and an interview with Athlete of the Year nominee Mackenzie Porter about her staggering stats this basketball season.
Last week, girls basketball beat Cleveland 58-34, making this their third win in a row.
The softball season is starting up soon, and the new coach was unveiled to be Miss McClellan. Let's hope for a lot of wins this year.
Baseball practice has officially started. Come out to the field at 3:30 after school, Tuesday to Friday to play.
Now we go to our sports correspondent's interview with Mackenzie.
Hi, my name is Mackenzie Porter. I'm a junior point guard, and I play for the girls basketball team since I was 5 years old. Yeah, you can say that. The season's going, it's going all right. I feel like we could do better, but we're living with what we got. That went actually exceptionally well. We were losing two of our players, Sierra Ellington and Ajay Yokum. Both were sitting out that game, and they're two of our starters. And we came in only having 5 players. So I feel like overall, with only having 5 players and 3 JV players, we had a good turnout. I happened to have 50 points, 11 steals, 3 rebounds, and 3 assists that game. Yes, I plan on playing basketball in college. I plan on getting a full ride scholarship. My passion for basketball, I don't think it's really something I can put in words. It's just like I go out there, put my all out there, I put my blood, sweat, and tears into it, literally. I've broken bones out there, I've sprained ankles, I've cried about playoff games, I've sweated my ass off running lines. It's the pain and stuff we go through is unbearable, but once you get through it, it's amazing what you can do and how good you can be. Honestly, just keep putting in work. It takes a lot, honestly, but your coaches are your best friends. Like, a lot of people think that coaches get on you because they live for that, but they don't. They love you, and they have to do it a certain way. And like, if you have the coach that I have, he has a really big passion for kids and for the game, so just come out here and just give it your all and never give up.
That's all we have this week. Thanks for watching this week's Sports Recap.
See you next time.
The Scholastic Arts and Writing Awards have been going on since 1927, and they're a national competition. And this year we won 4 awards. We won 3 honorable mentions and 1 silver key, which is sort of like second place. So we're growing and we are running strong. We have some very strong work. Very proud of my students. And I'm hoping that some of the students here at Benson will consider taking an art class and maybe even an advanced art class. The awards look really good on resumes, especially if you're applying to art school or graphic design school or any kind of liberal arts school. It will give you an advantage when you're applying in your application to show that you're competitive, that you work hard at your craft, that you are able to compete on a national level. Also, some of the top level winners get cash prizes, scholarship prizes, field trips to Washington, D.C., receive medals, other national recognition. So it's a very honorable thing to do, and it just looks really good.
Thanks for watching Tech News. We hope you enjoyed this week's episode, and we'll see you next time.